Flavian.
And where do you live, Fabian?
I live in Romania.
Okay. So what made you want to come on Britain's Got Talent?
Today I came on Britain's Got Talent to make a show with intelligence.
Oh. So are you saying that we're not a show with intelligence?
No, not about this. It's something different. I really want to make it to be good.
Good luck.
Thank you. So, I have here 3 cubes. They are all scrambled, completely different. And now I'm gonna solve them blindfolded.
Yeah.
What? Are you crazy?
Look what he's doing! It's like he can see out his fingers. Oh, they're doing it! How good is that? One-handed now, he's taking the lead. Shut up! Look at it! What a legend!
Are you from this planet? Honestly, because I don't think genuinely a human being should be able to do that.
Brilliantly entertaining, something we've never seen before, and we've absolutely no idea how you can possibly memorise all those moves.
Flavian, I think that was really impressive. What we witnessed today was extraordinary, so well done.
Okay, David?
I'm going to say yes.
I'm going to say yes. It's a yes from me.
Fabian, even though I don't think you are from Earth, I'm going to say yes.